Is mailbox.org really a private email service worth switching to in 2026? Or does it simply sound better on paper than it feels in everyday use? In this review, we're taking a closer look at mailbox.org to find out where it actually stands when you compare privacy, security, pricing, usability, and overall value. Mailbox.org is designed for people who want more control over their email and less dependence on the advertising-driven ecosystem of services like Gmail and Outlook. One of its biggest advantages is its focus on privacy, with features aimed at reducing unnecessary data exposure, along with support for modern security standards and encrypted communication options. Pricing is another interesting point because mailbox.org offers paid plans that can be relatively affordable, especially if you're looking for a serious email service without paying premium prices. However, it isn't perfect. The interface and overall experience may not feel as polished or familiar as Gmail, and some users could find the platform's range of settings and features a little overwhelming at first. Compatibility with third-party email applications is useful, but the setup experience can vary depending on which app or device you use. Compared with Proton Mail, mailbox.org may appeal more to users who want traditional email functionality and broader compatibility, while Fastmail can feel more streamlined for everyday productivity. Gmail and Outlook still have the advantage when it comes to mainstream integrations and convenience. So, what are the results? Mailbox.org comes across as a balanced option. It offers strong privacy-focused features, reasonable pricing, and useful functionality. But it also has areas where competitors may provide a smoother experience. If privacy matters to you but you still want a practical, conventional email service, mailbox.org is certainly worth considering. But whether it's the right choice depends on which features matter most to you.